Welcome to day 3 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Robin Pitts, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs, and myself are participating with our host, Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. To be entered into our giveaways, you must be a subscriber and leave a comment daily on each of our videos. I will have all of the rules in the description box below, so make sure to check those out so you can be entered. And for today, I created this boo banner for my daughter. She was wanting something to hang on a mirror in her foyer. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I used this paper pad, Halloween Spirit. I did purchase it from joann's.com. And I did cut out all of the shapes and on my Cricut Maker. And I really liked the frame. The frame and the background piece did not come together, but I really liked how they went together, so I used those. I liked how the sides kind of came out past the frame to make it just a little bit wider. And I love this frame with the skull at the top, and you've got your spider. And the font that I used in Cricut Design Space, I do believe was Storybook, I want to say, but I'll leave that link so you can make a banner. If you have access, it will be for free, so make sure to check that out. And for something different, I was inspired by a few pictures on Pinterest. I cut the straws into various lengths and threaded them between the banner pieces. And I really like how that came out. So then I cut a vellum spider web out and used the tool from Dollar Tree and cut out a spider web to lay on top. I feel like it just gives it some more dimension. And then I used a spider from, I do believe I purchased it from Walmart. And another thing that I did add, I just wanted a little bit of sparkle, were these gemstones, and they are from Michaels. So I was really happy with how the banner came out, and I loved that paper that I used. All of the papers in that pad were really, really pretty. And then when you hang it, the straws kind of have, you know, they kind of separate just a little bit, so it just gives it some movement. I really like the look of it. And as you can see, they're all the same. I just changed the placement of the rhinestones. So I'd love to hear your comments and tell me what you think. And I hope everyone has a spooktacular day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.